Alright, so I'm at the park now. I just got here, and as soon as I get here, guess what happens with my luck? It starts drizzling. Well, you guys can't see it because the camera's not that good, but it's drizzling. I'm tight. I'm still gonna skate until it starts like downpouring. So yeah. I'm extremely tired, sweating in the rain somehow. I'm gonna try one more trick and probably just go home. So leave a like for say what's up, dog. Yeah, I'm working hard out here, dog. Sweating from my chin, and it's raining. We out here. What is up, guys? So it's the end of the video. I didn't really do much today because obviously it's raining, but tomorrow's video is gonna have a lot more footage. I'm getting back into gaming stuff, so now if you guys want to see some gaming videos, the card will be popping up right there of my gaming channel, so go subscribe. Also, we're almost at 3K. We are exactly 191 subscribers at this moment from 3K. If I hit 3K, I'll dye my hair. Along with hitting 3K, if I hit it before the 20th, I'm dyeing my hair, doing a giveaway at a windbreaker and a finesse shirt. Also, the windbreaker is a finesse windbreaker, so make sure you win that giveaway. All we gotta do is just work together and try to grow our family and fan base out here, because we're gonna be able to, with you guys helping me out, I'll be able to do more videos and live streams and stuff like that. So help me help you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video though. Like, comment, subscribe.
Walked out Gucci, then crossed the street. Fuck it. Upset stomach, I had to eat. Ooh. Walked in Louis and spent 6G. Fuck it. Ran out of swishes to stuff the weed. Ooh. Walked in Shell. Ooh. Flamed up a L. Ooh. Bumpy Margels. Ooh. Feel like bread.